Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. As you can see, today I like this light so far so much, the Streamlight TLR-1, that I decided to buy another one for my Glock 19. All guns are unloaded, and again, if you want a permanent thing, you pull the switch to the right. And if you want temporary, you finger it on the left, let it go. That's pretty much it. So I like the one on my Glock 17 so much, I got one from my Glock 19 also for Christmas. Got myself another outside holster for my Glock 19 that fits also my TLR-1 light. That is the outside the waistband holster for my Glock 19 and light combination, and this is the inside the waistband holster I've also got for my Glock 19. So I got 4 of these now, 2 for my 17, 2 for my 19. And if you wonder if I'm going to get one for my Glock 26 also, no, because my Glock 26 is a backup gun. And my summer gun, well, I don't really need one for the summertime because I pretty much wear this on the inside. Although I probably could use this one, but yep, this is where we are right now. So far, I will give you a full report on my Glock 17 ones, probably in April. And I will give you a report on these probably in June. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, be safe, be alert, use situational awareness, protect your loved ones. If you don't do it, no one else is going to do it for you. You all take care, and we'll see you next video.